Welcome to TestTube, a place where we can share our knowledge through short videos. Even you can contribute to us by making a small video of any problem that you face in your life and how you have solved it. The video can be as short and as simple as possible, and you upload it in your Google Drive and share that link to us through that email that is shown over in this video. This way we can build a rich library having solution to any problem that anybody could possibly face in their life, and they can find a solution over here in this comment space. And by the way, the video will be uploaded with your name on it so that you can have all the credit for this. Thank. In our previous episode, we have seen how to automate a test case in two different ways. One is how to automate a test using the record and playback feature, and how to append the test case in by recording it again. And in the second method, we have seen how to automate a test case using scriptless mode, that is in manual mode. Now, in this video, we are going to see how to automate a test case in script mode, right? It is very easy, similar to how to automate in manual mode. The only difference is here we are writing the code with the help of code. By writing it manually, we are going to automate the test case. In manual mode, we don't have to write the code. Instead, we just drag and drop the keywords. So that's how we do it in both script mode and in both manual modes. The first step is going to create an object repository for the application under test, and our application under test is going to be the orange HRM page, which we use for most of our tutorials. And I'm going to automate the same application again using the script mode. Here, this is a web automation project, right? So the master class or the master keyword, which is what we have to use, is web UI. This is the only thing you have to do. This class has access to a list of methods. You can just browse through the list of methods which are there for this web UI class or parent class. So you have a lot of methods which you can actually call to automate your test case. Um, you can't remember obviously all of them, right? So with experience, while you are doing automation of the test cases, you will get to know the keywords in your mind. And also this IDE, this is Katalon IDE, has this auto recognize feature, or auto um, feature like we have in Selenium IDE. It's just that you have to start typing what you're looking for, and it will auto suggest the list of methods which are available for you, right? So for example, if I wanted to open a browser, I'll start typing open. So okay, see, I start typing open. It will show me a list of methods which we can access. So this is how easily you can start scripting. So now I'm going to automate the test case. The first step is going to open the browser. So I started typing open. I got open browser, and the argument which it is taking is the URL. It is of type string. So I'm going to pass the URL, which is for orange HRM page. Right. My first step is done, and you can see how it is added in your manual mode. Right. So that is done. Now, second step is going to be, I wanted to maximize that browser. So I started typing maximize. See, I got the list of methods which I wanted to use. This is how you can do it. Alternatively, if you are running out of thoughts like which method you wanted to use, you can go to this one which we have seen already, and this is the place where the keywords are stored. You can search for the keyword which you are looking for. um, by the names you will understand. You can start typing also the keywords. notifications is there under mobile keywords. So this is one way how you remember, how you can actually get to know of the methods. Right. Now I maximize the window. Now I have to enter the credentials. Web UI dot. I have to enter text. So I have to. It's like if you are familiar with Selenium, you will get to know of these methods. So similar methods will be there over here also. Set text is the method which I know in Selenium. So I just wanted to try it. So I started typing set. Set text. Okay, I got it. So this is the method which is used to set text in web-edited applications. Here you can pause on this and you can read out what this method is for. This sets the value of an input field as though you type in it. So like you are typing in it, it will set the value in that input field. That's what this method is going to do. And it is taking two arguments. One is the test object and second argument is the text which you wanted to enter. So the text object is something which you have to find it from the object repository. I'm not going to show it again because we have seen already how do we add objects to the repository. You can refer to the other videos. For now, I have the object stored in this page or here. I'm going to use these objects. So where I wanted to enter the text is under the username edit box. So I see this is the one. Right? So I have to drag and drop it over here. If you remember the keywords, you can type it all the way. But I don't remember. I don't want to remember much because the tool itself is for this option, for this comfort that you don't have to remember much. So the thing is in there. You just drag and drop it over here. So this is the method find test object. This is the method, and you will have to give the path where the object is stored. So this method will recognize the test object. So this is my test object. I am going to enter this text and you can enter the text either in single quotes or double quotes, right? I'm going to enter the username which is admin. I have done it. Now I'm going to enter the password. Web UI dot. I can use two methods. One is set encrypted text, which we have seen earlier in manual of automating test cases, or you can use the set text method also, which you are using to do it for the username. So the test object is going to be password. We drag and drop it over here. So that is a password key. Now I try with the single quotes just to show you that it doesn't matter whether it is single quote or double quote. So Groovy will understand it. There is okay. Now I have to click on the login button. See, the words what I am uttering are going to be the words mostly the methods are created for. What I said is I wanted to click on the button. So I have to start typing click text. So it will give the list of methods which are related to click. So I wanted to click on the test object. So I selected that and again I have to drag and drop that object. I wanted to click on the button which is submitting the password. Right. I clicked on the button. Now what I have to do is I have to press on the admin tab. That is what I all time show, right, as an automation test. So let's say this is what I'm going to automate. I'm going to log into this application. I'm going to click on this admin tab. I'm going to click on this add button, which will let me add username. Here I have to click on this button. Then I will log out. That's what I do, right? So this is my test under automation. So I have to write stubs for this. So we have logged in. After that, we have to click on this admin tab. So click operation, one more click operation, web UI dot click the test object. where is this test object is to click on admin. So I clicked on admin. Now there are other objects also, like entering the employee name, employee password, which are there over here, clicking on the add button. So this is all something which I can do, but in order to not to make this video bigger, I'm just skipping all these steps and directly I'm going to log out of this application. WI dot click on logout, right? That's what I click on logout. Oh, okay. So the concept is just to show you like how to automate a test in script mode. Uh, Whether you do the other steps or not, it doesn't make much difference, because this is also something which you can automate. Right? I don't remember whether this object worked or not. I think last time we had a problem, but let's see. It is working now. It's fine. If it doesn't work, just understand that okay, this stuff has failed, but not the automation. Right? Okay. Now, automation using script mode is done. Now we can just run it and show you. It is going to launch Chrome driver with the URL. Yeah. Now it has to maximize it. It has maximized it. Enter the credentials. It clicked on the login button. It has to click on the admin tab. Yes, it clicked on. Now it has to log out. I think logout has failed. Probably. Let's see. Yes, logout has failed. Like I said, the object is not properly added. So let me just comment it out and delete it. It's fine. So we have automated application only till clicking on the admin tab. So that's all we have done. Um, so now you have seen, right? But okay, what is the advantage of doing automation in script mode? Why not in manual mode? So main advantage of Katalon Studio is to give the user uh, this comfort that he don't have to know the scripting knowledge much, which is good. Like, yeah, you can do everything in manual mode. You don't have to go with the script mode. But still, the traditional automation tester is get used to the script mode. So he likes to write the scripts just like this. So for those who are comfortable, they can still continue to work on script mode. And when you do the automation to next advanced level, you'll find like you'll find like script mode is better. So you'll find that script mode is better. That is the advantage of doing it in script mode. For example, I can just add a for loop here just like that. I equal to 0, I less than 1, I plus plus, I plus plus. Just like that, I can add it in the script modes. And of course, I'm not saying that this is not something that can't be done in manual. You can do it in manual mode also. You go it here. See, you go to the keywords. You can see these keywords: decision making statements. You can add loops. You can do branching statements. So this is all something you can do. For example, if I wanted to add a while loop here, see, I have selected that keyword and I have to give the condition here. So this is again simple. Wrote in manual mode also. You go to the script mode, you can see the while loop is added, right? So this is simple. I'm not saying it is not simple, but conveniently, for example, I have added a while loop here, but I wanted to write some code over here. How do I do it in while loop? So how you can do it is There should be another way. Here, not here. True value. Okay, I'll tell you in a different video. But assuming that it's not now at this moment, it's like you are feeling uncomfortable, right? In trying to figure out a way how to do it, how to do something in while loop, right? So that can be avoided in script mode. You just have to go in there and started writing your subscore here. So this is something which many of the people already know. That's why script mode is convenient for many of the automation testers who are practicing automation using many other tools like Selenium, which are script based. Right? Still, the script based automation takes the upper hand to certain extent, not because manual mode is not there. It is only because many people are used to this mode, right? But if you started understanding the manual mode, uh, you can actually do it even better way, even faster way than script mode. It's just that you have to spend some time and try to understand how to do things manual mode easily, right? Okay, that is something which we can see. But the purpose of this video is just to show how do you automate a test case in script mode. You see, now I have added the for loop. That means this test is going to run twice. I'm going to add one more step, which is to close this browser. Right. Now I'm going to click on the run button. This has to run twice. It is going to launch the Chrome browser with the URL in it. It is my browser. It enter the credentials. It clicked on login button and then it clicked on admin tab and it has to close the browser. It closed the browser. Now it is going to run for the second time. Oh, sorry. It's not going to run second time because I have given the condition as I less than 1, which is like it has to run only once. If I give 2, it will run twice. Sorry for that. But anyways, you understand that it has gone inside the for loop, right? So that's what it matters. Alright, this is for this video. In our next video, we're going to see how to use variables inside a test which we are going to automate. This is important thing because this is the most common thing that anybody have to do while automating any application. So you have to pass different variables through your script so that this is the more way of automating the test case. For instance, you don't want to pass this text like this. You wanted to change it. How do you change it is, for example, if you wanted to change it, you can use a variable and pass something to that variable and you can use that variable here. So that is something which we are going to see in our next video. Thanks for watching this one. If you are also a person who believes in sharing the knowledge makes everybody's life better, you are welcome. And what you can do is you can make a video like this and upload it in your Google Drive and share that link to me or this email, which is sharetesttube@gmail.com, and I'll upload the video uh, under this channel so that we can create a huge knowledge repository. And by the way, the video need not to be any IT topics related. It can be any related, any topic which is having knowledge in it, and it should not be deceiving anybody. All right. Okay. So this way we can build a huge repository of knowledge. And also, if you wanted to visit my blog, it is 4webstyles.blogspot.com. wherein I keep uploading videos like this, and I organize them by some categories. And you also can become a partner by contributing to this one. And the credit of the video will be yours, because I'm going to present your name on that video, so that everybody will know who is contributing the knowledge of that video. Thank you.